Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you the difference between Ghana weaving and feeding cornrow. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification for more videos. Thank you. The first one I'm gonna be doing is Ghana weaving. You can either start weaving with an extension or with just your hair. I'm gonna be adding extension to my hair and weave it 4 to 5 times before adding another extension. So for Ghana weaving, whenever you place the extension on your hair, use your right pointing finger to grab the hair from the left side and use your left pointing finger to grab the hair from the right side. I already explained how to do Ghana weaving and feeding cornrows on my previous videos, so I'm gonna be leaving the links on the description box. Also, you can get your beaded bracelets, earrings, necklaces from Yemzybeauty.com. Check out my website on the description box. The second one is feeding cornrow. You can either start weaving with just your hair or with an extension. So I'm gonna be weaving 4 to 5 times, then I'll start adding extension. Place the extension on your hair with your thumb and index finger, then weave one time. The second time, add the other extension. Then you weave twice before adding another one. And that's the end. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Have a blessed day.